Hello friends. Today's video is going to be very helpful for you because I'm going to share a smart trick that can help you get 10 out of 10 marks. And the best part is, you can do it without studying. Yes, you heard that right. No books, no notes, just one simple method that I personally use, and you can also follow to score full marks in your quizzes. Let's not waste any time and get straight to the trick. First, take your phone and open ChatGPT. Then type this message. I am going to give you quiz questions about your subject name or course code. Wait for ChatGPT to give you a confirmation message. After that, you're ready to start your quiz. As soon as your quiz question appears, tap the mic button on your keyboard and speak the question clearly. ChatGPT will automatically write it for you. Then speak the 4 options one by one, and at the end, say this. Which one of the following is correct? Just give a simple answer. Send this full message to ChatGPT, and it will give you the correct answer in just a few seconds. Pick that answer in your quiz and move to the next question. Again, tap the mic, speak the next question, the options, and repeat the same line at the end. This trick can be used in all your subjects, and it really works. No one else will tell you about this trick, but vugate is always here to guide you and support you. If you want to know how to pass your midterms or finals without studying, just comment below and I'll make a video for that too. You'll only find this type of smart information here on vugate, so don't forget to subscribe.